In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is the affiliate network. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius Mckinney, and I'm a digital entrepreneur that helps people make money online through affiliate marketing to achieve time, location, and freedom. So if that's what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. And also get my free affiliate marketing ebook. It will first link in my description. So if you want to learn more how to get started with affiliate marketing, make sure you click the first link in my description. And let's get to today's content. So basically, affiliate network is basically a marketplace or a place where you can find products and service you can promote for your business. So basically, what essence is like, for example, think about it like this: if you say, for example, you go to a Walmart or you go to a Target, right? Yeah, all they have different types of industries like style, beauty, tech, industry, anything like that, right? Then you can go to the industry and pick any product you want to promote within that industry that you're in and promote to your customers. So basically, example, I'm gonna show you like this. So basically, this is Target, right? And this is your customers. Basically, they have all the products that your customer wants to buy. So basically, they have the products in here, and your customer come to it, and they can pick. I mean, you pick the product that your customers are desire. They have a problem or they want a solution for their problem, and once you promote it, this is the products in here. You promote it to them, and basically you give commission. So that's basically what essence of what affiliate network is. So I'm gonna give you an example in my laptop. So let's hop into my laptop. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you 7 different affiliate offers. I mean, not affiliate offer, affiliate networks you can choose from, whatever you're liking and preference from. So let's get into it. So the first one is called ClickBank. So basically, ClickBank, this is like beginner friendly one. As you can see, they if you're new to affiliate marketing, they teach you from A to Z how to get started and the basis of becoming a ClickBank affiliate and how to choose your product and stuff like that. So let's go. Let me show you. So basically, you click here, the affiliate help center, and they'll teach you how to get started and pick your niche and all that stuff, and create your account and how to use the marketplace and all that. So I advise you. This is like one of my. This is one of my top affiliate networks you can use right now. So as you can see, you got the affiliate overview, create an affiliate account. Using Hoplink, the marketplace and vendors, and redirecting customer from a vendor to a Hoplink and traffic. I mean, not traffic, but Target. So that's basically that. So basically, the affiliate network, you can come down here to different categories. You can choose from business to computers and internet and cooking, whatever it's your interest and your niche you're trying to promote products to customers. So let's say, for example, let's go to cooking. Let's go to the cooking industry. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, you got different products. You got Kilo resource. You got Kilo bread and desserts. You got Burning Kitchen. I don't really know what that is, but as you can see, you can pick all these different types of offer, and they got tons and tons of offers you can do. You got all these pages you can go from. You can go to the last page. They got 60 some pages you can choose from picking an offer. So yeah, so that's basically a ClickBank. So you can choose. You get started from there. You get started from there if you're a beginner. So yeah, so I advise you to choose ClickBank. So if you're a beginner. So basically, the next one is called Share a Sale. Basically, as again, they teach you what's affiliate marketing. If you don't know already what's affiliate marketing is basically where you promote people products and service and you get a commission. So basically, they give you free training and tips on how to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you're new to it, so for example, they give you free a video on how to get started with affiliate marketing. So as you can see, you can become an affiliate or you can become a merchant, which I don't advise you being a merchant right now. But when you start picking up the skills that you need to become a merchant, I advise you then you can become a merchant. But right now you're a beginner, so I advise you to become affiliate, just to learn how the process works as an affiliate marketer. So basically, let me show you the different products they have. So let me go back. All right, so this is I think this is different type of industries they have for affiliate marketing. So let me see, home and garden. So let's pick there that category. All right, guys. So so this in I mean so these products don't sell a lot like ClickBank. Let me see, ClickBank. Their percentage I can see this is not really a product that's selling high, but like usually everything is between 50% and 100%. As you can see, this product, say for example, this is like $100 offer, and you get 75% off. So that'll be like uh $80 or $70 you get for that offer. So let me go to the first page. Okay, so this was 83 for a $24 product. This is 75. The average. This is how you can check the average sale is how much you be getting from the this offer. So basically, you come down here and see how much you'll be probably making. See, this is 90, this is 100, so 52. So you actually can see it varies from different products and depends on what it is. So basically, you can see this is a $6 commission product. Uh, I think this one was 20 on a $250 product. So um, in this industry, but it all depends on what the niche you're in and the product you're promoting. So again, this website is called Share a Skill. I mean, Share a Sell. My bad. The next one is called a CJ Affiliate. Now I don't really mess with them, but like you can like try for yourself. But because I'm not too familiar, but I know the company, but I don't really use it a lot. So basically, you can come. They have advertiser, publisher, and so basically, if you want to be affiliate for them, you can come to advertiser and come to these different industries. So like for example, technology. That's not it. So oh, you come to a power of affiliate. My bad. So basically, yeah. So they teach you, and then you can sign up for yourself, and yeah, you can sign up right here, and you sign up and you find the offers like I showed you in previous two companies like ClickBank and Share a Skill. So Share a Skill. So that's basically how you do it with CJ Affiliate. So the next one is the most popular one is Amazon Associate. So basically, everything is from 1% to 10% uh 10% commission. So basically, that's not a lot, but this is one again. This for mostly for beginners. So basically, they teach you from how to join and promote and earn. So basically, as you can see right here, everything's from the highest is 10%, and it depends on like what offers you get from the affiliate the program they get from the offers right here. So you get the cooking and you got cameras. You can, but I'm gonna give you secret tips. So if you wanna make the big money with Amazon, I advise you to go with technology because everything is like between 8 and 10%. So commission rate. So I advise you to you want to go in that industry, but everything else is like 2, 3, 4, 5% commission. So you're not gonna earn a lot, but it's something that you want to do it. Then if that's something you're passionate about, you can get into it. So yeah. So the next one is eBay partner network. I didn't even notice for myself they had this, but they do. So you can come down here. You can share your passion. You can of course you can partner with them, and they teach you how to find and share and earn. So basically, you find amazing eBay selling listing. They have 1 billion listing on there, so you can find any like literally anything you want from different industry, whatever you're passionate about, to your followers or your customers. So then you promote it on a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, anything like that, and drive traffic. And once they buy, you get earn money. As you see, you get paid whatever they buy. So and it's so basically it come passive if they buy a product that's recurring over and over like monthly bill or something like that. So basically you can build your passive income from that. So yeah, so and you can and plus you can come down and they teach you again like what is affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna just show you again. And I think they teach you what is affiliate marketing network too. So um So yeah, they show right here like you become you're the affiliate right here, and you got the customers, and then you got the merchants. So basically, you're right here, and you got the customers, and you promote it to them, and once they buy, you get the money, and then and so basically go on cycle like that. So basically, that's what affiliate marketing is. This is the live graph of what it looked like. So it can confuse. So and again, this is to show you what is affiliate marketing networks, which I already explained to you. So what it is. But yeah, they just teaching like the essence of and the brief history of it and how does it work and how you get your money and all that stuff. So and affiliate tracking and all that stuff. So you can read that. Again, this website is called eBay. So eBay Partner Network. So basically, you can go to that and just check it out for yourself. So the next one, the final one is Flex Offer. So basically, Flex Offer got all these different categories you can choose from, which is crazy. You got cars, you got consumer electronics, you got entertainment, you got home, garden, etc., etc., etc. So basically, you can come down here. For example, let's go to digital products you can pick from. So basically, you can sign up here, or you can sign up here. Either one. Um, you got FanDuel, you got Pure CBD, you got Pro Workflow, and on the side here you got all these categories you can choose from. You got like I said in the previous one, you got all these categories. Budgeting, you got all these categories. You got green chef affiliate program. You got all these categories you can choose from. So let's just click this for example. What products they have in this industry. Um, so and they teach you what it is. So basically, oh, they just gave me a little overview, but you get the point. What I'm saying, you can choose a category and pick the products you can choose from. But if you find this YouTube very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. And also, if you haven't got my free affiliate marketing ebook yet, it'll be the first link in my description, and you can check that out for yourself. So I hope you found this very helpful, and I'll see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.